Welcome to Connected to Her Core, a sacred space for women who are ready to rise from the inside out. I'm your host, Victoria, and each week we explore what it means to live, move, and lead from your sacred center. Not just physically, but emotionally, energetically, and spiritually. This isn't about surface level fixes. This is where we descend beneath the noise to meet the wisdom your body has been holding all along. So let's begin. Hi friends, and welcome back to a new episode. I want to talk a minute about a story of mine when I truly believed my body was broken. It was after my second baby was born. I remember standing in front of the mirror, exhausted, holding this deep ache in my lower belly. My abs weren't flat anymore. My back hurt. Intimacy felt different. And even though I was working out again gently, nothing felt the same. Every move felt foreign, like I was inside a body that no longer belonged to me. And worse, I thought it was my fault. So maybe you felt this too. Maybe you've sneezed and leaked a little bit and wondered if your body was ruined. Maybe you've done hundreds of crunches, chased that flat belly, and still feel that hollow disconnect inside. Or maybe you've simply felt that sense of something is off, but you couldn't or you can't quite put the words to it. And underneath it all, you might have whispered the same thing that I did to myself. And that was, I think I'm broken. But I want to say something right now, something I wish someone had said to me back then. And that is, you are not broken. You have never been broken. And what you've experienced is disconnection. Disconnection from your breath, disconnection from your body, from your sense of inner safety. And today we're going to explore exactly what that means and how to begin gently reconnecting to your body and yourself again. So before we dive in more, I want to cover what exactly the core is. So when most people think core, they picture abs, six-pack lines, maybe crunches or planks for exercises. But your core is so much more than that. Your core is a system, a deep, intelligent network that keeps your body stable, your breathing flowing, and your nervous system grounded. And at its center, we have four main players in terms of your muscles. Your diaphragm, which is your primary breathing muscle, that moves like a parachute when you inhale. Your pelvic floor, which forms the foundation or a network of muscles for your core, like a hammock, supporting your organs and responding to your breath. And then we have your transverse abdominis, your deep corset muscle that wraps around your torso like a natural weight belt or corset. And your multifidus. These are tiny little stabilizers that line your spine, offering strength and coordination from within. And I like to think of the core as a team. When one player is out of sync, the whole team feels off. But that doesn't mean the team is broken. It just needs recoordination. Your core is your body's center of safety. So every inhale expands and nourishes it. Every exhale supports and steadies it. And when you understand that your breath and your core are connected, everything begins to shift. See, pregnancy, birth, injury, chronic stress, trauma, perimenopause, menopause, they all disrupt this coordination. But your body is brilliant. It can relearn, it can repattern, it can remember. And that's where the reconnection begins. So why do so many women feel even after body is healing that it's broken? It's because we've been taught myths that disconnect us from within. We've been told flat abs mean you're healthy. Strength means pushing even harder. Pain means weakness, and rest means laziness. We've absorbed this idea that our worth and wellness are tied to how our bodies look instead of how they feel. But here's what happens when we believe those myths and these lies. We start to feel shame, and shame makes us hide instead of heal. And that belief that I was broken stayed with me for years until I realized something profound for myself. And that was that my body wasn't failing me. It was speaking to me. The pain, the weakness, the doming of my abs, those weren't flaws. They were signals, invitations to reconnect to myself. And when I stopped fighting my body and started listening to it, everything started to slowly change. So now let's talk about how to actually begin that reconnection gently, intentionally, and from the inside out. Here are 3 steps that I guide my clients through in the Sacred Core method: breath, nervous system safety, and gentle activation. So here's step 1, breath. The inhale expands your ribs and belly. It says you are safe. The exhale engages your pelvic floor and deep core. It says you are supported. So I want you to try it with me right now. Inhale through your nose, feel your ribs widen, and exhale through your mouth and whisper softly, I am safe. Feel your lower belly and your pelvic floor gently lift. That's your core coming back online without force, without tension. Step 2 is nervous system safety. If you're constantly bracing, you're rushing, or living in fight or flight, your body doesn't feel safe enough to reconnect. And healing your core isn't just a physical process. It's an emotional and an energetic one as well. This is why slowing down isn't lazy. It's essential. When your nervous system feels calm, your deep core can finally respond. Safety is the soil that grows strength from within. And then step 3 is gentle activation. You don't need a hardcore workout to heal. You need small, consistent, layered reconnection. Little moments, a few conscious breaths, mindful movements, posture awareness, a few reps of intention practiced daily throughout your day that rebuild a sense of inner trust and stability. And healing is not about the hardest exercise. It's about honoring your body's pace. And the truth is, you can't rush reconnection, but you can return to it breath by breath, rep by rep. Here is your transformational tip for this week. I want you to close this with a guided practice. You can do this sitting, standing, or lying down, just somewhere comfortable. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Inhale gently through your nose for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel your ribs expand like wings. Now exhale through your mouth for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whisper, I am safe in my body. Now let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, expand, soften, open. Exhale, release, ground, connect. Notice what shifts. Maybe your shoulders drop. Maybe your breath deepens. Maybe you feel a little more like yourself. That right there is reconnection. Simple, subtle, sacred. So I want to thank you for joining me today on Connected to Her Core. If this episode resonated with you, share it with a friend who needs to hear this reminder. You are not broken. You're waiting to reconnect. And if you're ready to start your own reconnection journey, you can check the description below for my free intuitive core guide, a simple sacred tool to help you rebuild that trust between your breath, your body, and your strength, as well as other coaching options I have available. Until next time, remember this: true strength begins at your sacred center. Until then, I'll see you in the next episode.